Hello, good evening, students. Let us see one problem which is asked by my student that is based on the NCERT book from the hydrogen chapter. So the question is calculate the strength of and normality of 10 volume solution of hydrogen peroxide. So dear student, what they have given that is they are asking strength. They didn't mention that is gram per liter. It will be the strength means gram per liter. Meaning of strength, student, we are going for the solution. The meaning of strength means volume. Okay, volume of H2O2 in gram per liter, in gram per liter. This is what is the strength. Now student, they are asking that is again the normality also asking. Okay, so they have given 10 volume solution of hydrogen peroxide is available. So that is the meaning we have to understand, that is 10 volume. Okay, 10 volume of H2O2. 10 volume of H2O2 means, what is meaning of means 1 liter. 10 volume of H2O2 means, that is meaning I am explaining student, means 1 liter H2O2. 1 liter H2O2 gives how much student? 10 liter. Okay, 10 liter. What is student? O2 at NTP, at normal temperature pressure. This is the meaning of the 10 volume of H2O2. That is 1 liter of H2O2. 1 liter of H2O2 gives 10 liter of the oxygen gas at NTP. Okay. Now student, let us write the equation. What is the equation here is, that is H2O2. It decomposes in to give, that is H2O plus O2. Right student? So dear student, if you talk about that is, here you can balance it out. This is the 2 mole and this is also 2 mole. So at NTP, that is volume of 1 mole of gas, how much student? This is 1 mole only, na? Oxygen is here 1 mole. So volume of 1 mole of gas is how much student at NTP? That is 22.4 liter. Okay, at NTP. NTP. So this is what, that is volume of 1 liter. Right student? Volume of 1 mole. Volume of 1 mole. Volume of 1 mole of gas. So what gas is there? Oxygen is there. That I think you will be understand. So here student, this is giving, that is 22.4 liter of how much gram? So you can 2 is here. Hydrogen how much is there student? That is 2 hydrogen. Oxygen is 16 to the 32. That is 30, this many gram. It means 32 to the 32 plus 2, 34, 34 to the 68. 68 gram H2O2 gives how much student? How much? Gives 22.4 liter O2. Okay, right, at NTP. That we have to keep in mind. Now student, that is the second point you see, that is if what is R we can write student, or we can write, because 10 volume they have given, so that is 20.4 liter, we can write 20.4 liter, no, 22.4 liter O2 is given by, how much student? Is given by 68 gram H2O2, right student? So what we can write student? So what we can write? So 1 gram, 1 liter, you can write 1 liter O2 is given by how much student? Is given by, 68 gram upon 22.4, okay, gram H2O2, right student? Now they are saying how much volume? 10 volume. Okay, 10 volume, 10 liter we are getting H2O2. Here that is meaning I explained student. You might be able to understand here. What I explain here is meaning of the 1 liter as 10 volume H2O2 means. I explain here 10 volume of H2O2 means 1 liter H2O2 gives 10 liter O2. So we are calculating here 10 liter, right? So here you see, so here is 1 liter of O2 gives, that is 68 gram by 22. So 10 liter O2, 10 liter O2 will give student is given by how much student? 68 upon 22.4 multiplied by 10 gram H2O2. Okay, gram H2O2. So if you solve it out student, is solve it out. So how much is coming student? It will come, that is 30.357 gram H2O2, right? So in 1 liter, this many gram is there. How much student? that is 1 liter H2O2. Okay, so that is we can write here. So strength of H2O2, strength of what student, H2O2 is what student, 30.357 gram per liter. Okay, now next point they are asking student normality. They are asking normality of H2O2, normality of H2O2, right? So if you talk about normality, student, normality means number of gram equivalent. Normality is equal to, okay, student, normality is equal to number of gram equivalent. See, student, number of gram equivalent divided by what, student? Divided by volume in liter. So dear student, firstly you see here, this is 30.357 gram per liter. 1 liter is there. So that is number of gram equivalent. Number of gram equivalent means that is how to calculate, student, given mass. Okay, you can calculate by given mass upon equivalent mass. Number of gram equivalent we calculate given mass upon equivalent mass. So given mass is how much, student? The number of gram equivalent I am calculating, student, given mass. Okay, given mass upon equivalent mass. Equivalent mass. Okay, equivalent mass are divided by what, student? Volume in liter. Volume in liter. What I simplified this equation, student, number of gram equivalent equal to given mass upon equivalent mass. Of given mass we calculated how much, student? 30.357 equivalent mass. So H2O2 is converting into H2O, right? Plus O2. So here is minus 1 to 0. Okay, so n factor is equal to 1. So equivalent mass if you calculating, that is equivalent mass if you are calculating, that is given, no, molar mass upon n factor, molar mass upon n factor. So n factor you got 1, molar mass is how much, student? Molar mass is per hydrogen 32, no, n factor minus 1 to n factor if you are going, student, uh, n factor is 2, student, not 1. Okay, n factor is 2. So n factor is 2 means the molar mass is what? 2, 32, 34, 34 by 2. So it will come 17, student. So here is 30 by, this is 357 up. This will come 17. And here is volume is, it is already we calculated na per liter. So 1 liter is there. So we need not to do anything. So divided by what? 1 liter. So how much is coming, student? If you divide this, so normality is coming. How much, student? It will come 1.79 normal. 1.79 normal. So this is our required answer, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear students.